Best adjustable laptop tables improve posture, reduce strain, enhance comfort, save space, and boost productivity anywhere daily. My today's video is about top 5 best adjustable laptop tables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at top job, AnyDesk Foldable Standing Desk. This multi-purpose sit-to-stand desk is an excellent choice for anyone needing a flexible and space-saving workstation. Its cordless power lift mechanism makes height adjustment effortless. Just squeeze the paddle and smoothly raise or lower the desk from 28-inch to 45. Whether you prefer sitting for focused work or standing for better posture, it adapts instantly to your needs. The 28-inch by 19-inch desktop offers enough room for a laptop, books, or meals while remaining compact enough for smaller rooms. The premium surface is heat-resistant, waterproof, stain-resistant, and scratch-resistant, making it ideal not only for office work, but also for kitchen prep, serving food, or casual use around the home. Its strong frame supports up to 110 pounds in static positions, providing impressive stability and confidence during daily use. Smooth rolling casters allow easy movement between rooms, while the slim design slides neatly under couches or beds. Easy assembly and low-maintenance cleaning make it even more appealing. Overall, it's a durable, versatile desk built for modern convenience. Now our second product is ErgoHome Elevance Height Adjustable Side Table. This adjustable side table is a smart and versatile solution for anyone who wants comfort and convenience throughout the home. The smooth height adjustment feature allows you to raise or lower the tabletop in seconds without tools, making it ideal whether you're working while seated, relaxing on the sofa, or using it in bed. It easily adapts to different positions for a more comfortable everyday setup point. One of its standout features is the C-shaped base, which slides neatly under sofas and bed frames. This design keeps the tabletop close and stable without forcing you to rearrange furniture or sacrifice floor space. The 24-inch by 24-inch surface is roomy enough to hold a laptop, tablet, snacks, or drinks all at once, making it practical for work or leisure. Built with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, the table feels sturdy and dependable. Its weighted anti-tip base adds extra stability on hardwood, tile, or carpet. With a 22 pounds capacity and strong customer support from ErgoHome, this table delivers lasting value, durability, and daily convenience. Our third product is 9 Overbed Bedside Table with Wheels. This versatile overbed table is a highly practical solution for both home and medical use, combining mobility, stability, and ergonomic comfort in one design. Its C-shaped base slides smoothly under beds or chairs, allowing users to position it exactly where needed without strain or repositioning furniture. Whether used as a hospital bedside table, laptop workstation, or eating tray, it adapts effortlessly to daily needs. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 50 pounds, offering dependable strength for medical supplies, meals, or electronics. Its stable base design minimizes tipping risk, ensuring safety during use. The smooth hydraulic height adjustment, 25.6-inch to 37.1, allows easy customization for different bed heights and seating positions, promoting better posture and comfort. Hidden casters enhance portability while maintaining a clean, modern look. The spacious 31.1 inches by 15.3 inches walnut-textured surface provides ample room for work, dining, or reading. Overall, it's a durable, flexible, and thoughtfully designed bedside companion. Now number 4, Ewin Medical Adjustable Overbed Bedside Table. This light oak adjustable table is a stylish and practical addition to any modern living space, combining soft aesthetics with everyday functionality. The warm wood-look finish instantly brightens the room, giving it an airy and clean appearance that blends well with both home and office environments. Its pneumatic lift system is a standout feature, allowing smooth one-handed height adjustment from 25-inch to 40. This makes it easy to switch between sitting, lounging, or working positions without any effort. The four smooth rolling wheels ensure quiet mobility, while the low-profile base slides neatly under sofas or beds, helping save valuable space. Despite its lightweight design, the table feels stable and supports up to 18 pounds, making it suitable for laptops, meals, books, or daily essentials. The spacious desktop is also easy to clean, adding convenience to daily use. Versatile in function, it works perfectly as a bedside table, sofa desk, or mobile workstation. With quick assembly and a 2-year warranty, it offers both reliability and peace of mind. And our last choice is Huanua 32-inch bedside table with wheels. This pneumatic overbed desk is a well-designed blend of comfort, mobility, and everyday practicality. Its smooth pneumatic lift system allows effortless height adjustment from 26.8 to 44.1, making it easy to find an ergonomic position whether you're working, eating, or resting. The squeeze handle mechanism feels intuitive and quick, letting users adjust the table without interruption. But a standout feature is the 360 degrees rotating cup holder, which can be mounted on either side for maximum convenience. It keeps drinks secure and neatly tucked away when not in use, helping prevent spills in tight spaces. Built from cold-rolled steel, the frame feels solid and dependable, supporting up to 22 pounds and tested for long-term durability through 20,000 cycles. The four hidden casters allow smooth movement even in compact rooms, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or kitchens. With simple two-step assembly completed in about 10 minutes, this table offers a highly versatile, space-saving solution for modern living. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.